Welcome to Kiddom After Class, where we share tips to help you make the most of Kiddom. Kiddom has new interactive question types that can be used in assignments, including categorizing. In a categorizing question, students can drag and drop cards to their matching statements. There can be multiple correct answers per statement, but each answer can be used only once. Check out matching for more options. To use categorizing, in Edit mode of your digital curriculum, scroll down to the bottom of the page to add a question. Then click on Written Response, which is the default question type, to select a new type, in this case, categorizing. Remember, you can always select Preview to see what an assignment will look like for students. Happy teaching and learning! Thanks as always for attending Kiddom After Class.